Founders, entrepreneurs, or anyone starting a business knows how difficult it is. You're attempting to make something out of nothing. It can be a real magic act. Most people can't or don't want to go through the effort. Bootstrapping a business takes determination, resilience, confidence, and of course, a good product or service. But a good product or service is just table stakes. It only gets you into the game. Staying there and growing your stack of chips is the magical part. This attitude doesn't only apply to founders. Salespeople and anyone who wants to be a leader in their field need these exact same qualities: determination, resilience, and confidence. Confidence that you will make it no matter how difficult the task is, no matter how big the obstacle. One way to develop these attitudes is to make sure you don't feed the negative voices in your head. It's not easy to catch your thoughts that are saying to you, "I don't know enough about what I'm doing. I have zero experience in this. I've never done something like this before." The method to catch these thoughts and replace them with positive ones that lead you to your goal is through mindfulness, which is a part of meditation. When you learn to meditate, you learn to watch your thoughts and become mindful of them. You become much more aware of them and the messages they are carrying. From there, it becomes easier to see the negative thoughts, catch them, and throw them out like yesterday's trash. So here's your action item and mission, should you decide to accept it. If you're trying to make something from nothing, grow your business, or simply aim to be the best you can be at your job, try meditation. I'll put a resource below. Aside from keeping you calm, focused, clear, you become a mindful observer, which can have a healthy return on your investment. And there's nothing magical about that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and share. By commenting, we can help each other be more resilient and successful in our businesses and personal lives. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thanks for watching. Have a rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.